Good morning, my students. Today, we're going to take Unit 1, Lesson 2, Comparing and Ordering Fractions. Remember that 1 equals any number divide itself. Divide 1, 1 over 1, 2 over 2, 3 over 3, and so on. First, comparing two fractions with the same denominator. To compare any two fractions having the same denominator, compare their numerator where the fraction with the greater number is the greater than the other. How do you do this? If they have the same denominator, look at this, 7 and 7, which is biggest, 5 or 6, it will be 6. Look at the numerator, the greater numerator, it will be the greatest fraction. 9 over 12 or 5 over 12, the same denominator, which is biggest, 9 over 12. 1 or 5 over 10. Remember that from 5, 1, it's biggest than any proper fraction. If I want to change it 1 into 10 over 10, it's also 10 over 10 biggest than or bigger than 5 over 10. Second, comparing two fractions of the same numerator. Do you remember that? We called crazy fraction. Why to be crazy fraction? Because the small denominator, it will be the biggest. Look at this. To compare any two fractions having the same numerator, compare their denominators, where the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater than the other fraction. Look at this. 4 over 5 bigger or 4 over 7. هما the same numerator. It will be 5 bigger than 7. It means 4 over 5 bigger than 4 over 7. Okay, 7 over 10 or 7 over 9, 7 over 10 less than 7 over 9. Okay, look at this question. Find all possible values of x. Okay, look at this here from 5. It means, if I want to read this one, 4 over 9 less than x over 9 less than 7 over 9. They have the same denominator. Okay, look at the x. X between 4 and 7. Possible x, it will be 5 or 6. It means x equals 5 or 6. If I put here 5, 4 over 9 less than 5 over 9 less than 7 over 9. If I put x 6, 4 over 9 less than 6 over 9, 6 over 9 less than 7 over 9. Right. X, it will be 5 or 6. Okay, look at B here. 1 greater than x over 8 greater than 5 over 8. Change 1 into 8 over 8. It will be 8 over 8 greater than x over 8 greater than 5 over 8. X between 5 and 8. X, it will be possible to be 6 or 7. If I want to check, here 6 over 8 less than 8 over 8 and greater than 5 over 8. 7, if I change x into 7, 7 over 8 less than 8 over 8 and greater than 5 over 8. This is the values possible to be x. Third, comparing two fractions of different numerator and different denominator. Okay? In the previous year, we took this, how to do it by scissors. I can do this different numerator and different denominator using scissors, like this from 5. 3 times 3, 9. 4 times 2, 8. Which is biggest? 9. Okay. In this year, I have calculator. Can I use it? Yes. If I write this fraction and change into decimal, if I want to change this fraction into decimal, write the fraction here, 3/4. Okay, equals 0.75. It means 0 point, here, right, 0 point. Wait, was to this. Okay, if I want to change 2/3, put the fraction 2/3 equals SD 0.666. I will take only 3 numbers after the decimal, 0.666. Okay, which is the greatest? 0, 0.7 or 6, it will be the 7. The same result. Okay, also here, change into decimal, 10/24. 10/24 equals SD 0.416. 0.416. Okay, if I want to change 14/18, write the fraction like this. 14/18 equals SD 0.777. Okay, which is the greatest? 0.4 or 0.7? 0.7. This, it will be less than. Okay, this is how to use calculator to solve comparing fraction with the different numerator and different denominator. Also here, we have a mixed number. We have a mixed number. How to use it on the calculator? We put shift fraction. Shift fraction. If I want to write a mixed number, write 2, move the arrow up, write 2, come down, write 3. After that equals SD 2.666. This 2.666. Okay, 7/5. Write the fraction. 7 down 5 equals 1.4. Which is the biggest? 2.666 or 1.4? Here 2, the whole number 2, and here the whole number 1. The 2, it will be bigger طبعا. Okay, 1 is the greatest than any proper fraction. 1, it means 5/5. Okay, it means 5/5 bigger. If I want to check, can I change 4/5 into decimal? Yes. 4/5. Change it into decimal. 0.8. Which is biggest? 0.8 or 1, 1 is bigger. Almost. Note, any proper fraction is smaller than 1. It means 1 bigger than any proper fraction. Any improper fraction is greater than or equal 1. Any improper fraction is greater than any proper fraction. Fourth, comparing fraction and decimal. Convert the fraction into decimal using your calculator, then compare between two decimals as we studied in the previous year. Change a fraction into decimal. After that, very easy to compare two decimal numbers. How to change this? Shift fraction, write 3, 1/4 equals SD 3.25. Which is biggest, 3.25 or 3.2? We must put the two numbers with the same digit. We must add here 0. It will be 5 greater than 0, like this. If I want to change this into fraction, shift fraction, 5, 7/9 equals SD 5.777. Okay, 5.777. We must put here 2 zeros. Here 777 and here 700 thousands. It will be bigger. After that, arrange. Look at the arrange form 5. Arrange, we do it with many steps. The first step, change all into decimal. Change all into decimal. Okay, this is the first one, whole number. Keep it as it is. The second number, decimal. The third number, decimal. Change after that. 6, it will be 6 as it is. We'll write this again. 4.2 as it is. 3.2 as it is. Here, I will change the mixed number into a decimal. How to change it? Shift fraction. Write 5¼ 1/4 equals 5.25. 5 here, this one, 5.25. Okay, after that, change this into decimal, 4½. Shift fraction, 4, 1/2. It will be 4.5. After that, change this into decimal, 5/2/3. Shift fraction, 5, 2/3 equals 5.666. 5.666. The second step, arrange ascending. Ascending from what? From the smallest to the greatest. The first step, arrange. Okay, look at this. 6, 4.2, 3.2, 5.25, 4.5, 5.6. Which is the smaller one? 3.2. The first, 3.2. After that, 4.2. After that, 4.5. After that, 5.2 or 5.6. طبعا 5.25. After that, 5.666. The last one, 6. Can I keep it like this? No. We must change the fraction as a question. 3.2 as it is. It means 3.2. That's 3.2. as it is. 3.2. After that, 4.2 as it is. 4.5. 4.5. Can I write like this or like this? We must change into as a question. 4.5. 5.25. It means 5 1/4. We must change as a question. 5.666. It means 5 2/3. The last one, 6. We must write the answer as this one. Thank you for listening. Form 5. I hope you understood.